In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to send photos and TikTok messages. Let's get started. First, launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head over to the profile of the person to whom you want to send photos. Before you begin, keep in mind that you can only send direct messages and photos to users who are eligible to message you based on TikTok's messaging settings. In many cases, you'll need to be mutual friends on TikTok, meaning you both follow each other and the other person's private settings must allow direct messages. If you're not friends or they don't allow messages, you won't be able to send them a message or a photo. Now head towards the inbox page and open the conversation where you want to send picture. Click on this picture icon. Gallery will open up. Now select the picture that you want to send. You are able to select multiple pictures. Once you are done, click on send. The picture will be sent. So this way you can easily send pictures and TikTok messages. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.